Hello, good evening. It's Wednesday evening here in my house, and I thought for tomorrow's lesson, so you're watching this on Thursday morning now, I thought I'd just go over those three questions that we finished the last lesson with. So I'll have posted your results on Google Classroom, but for those you got wrong, here we are. Let's have a look. Question number 1. During 1 year, it rained 123 days. What percentage of the time did it rain? If you want a visual representation of the whole year, I'm going to draw the whole year as a rectangle. Now, we're going to assume the year had 365 days. I know this year doesn't, but the whole years usually do. And we're saying 123 out of those 365. That's a fair chunk, isn't it? It's roughly about a third. We're saying what proportion or what percentage of the whole is that 123 days. So what you did in that maths lesson was you knew the amount that you want it as a percentage of out of the whole. So that's a division, and then we multiply by 100. So calculators on 123 divided by 365, multiply by 100, and what do you get? 33.7%. Final answer. There we are. So if you rounded it to the nearest whole number, I accepted that. So 34% was fine. 74.5 was not fine, Andrew, but otherwise most of us got that right. Well done. Okay, question 2. We've got Anton here. He's bought a pack of cans, spent £35, then he sells them £52.50. What percent profit did he make? So again, I can represent the whole lot by drawing a rectangle for us visual learners. And what we're asking is the extra that he bought, the extra that he sold them for, what is that as a percentage of what he originally paid for them? So to find out what's this extra that he sold them for, that's the difference, that's the extra. So we'll do £52.50, take away 35, and that gives us our extra, which is £17.50. The whole lot is 35. So we're saying what is £17.50 as a proportion or percentage of 35? So divide by the 35, the original amount, times by 100. Calculator comes out. And there we have our answer, 50%. And you know 50% is the same as a half. So he made half as much again profit. So in most people's books, that's not a bad profit to make, 50% profit. Okay, final one, question 3. So we have Ian, who was 77 kilos and loses weight. So again, we like our diagrams, I like them. We can draw our rectangle. And we can say, what is the whole lot? And that's the original amount, it's 77 kilos. I'm going to say, right, what's the change? How much has he lost? What percentage is that out of 77 kilos? So how much has we lost? We don't know, we're not told, but we can work it out. We do 77, take away 73.15. That might be a calculator job for us. But as a maths teacher, I should really be able to do this in my head. And so I'm going to, let's see, that's 3.85. So it's 3.85 is the change, is the difference of 77. So we do 3.85 divided by 77. That will give you a decimal, times it by 100 to turn it into a percentage. So out comes the calculator. And there we have it, 5%. He's lost 5% of his mass. Final answer. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoy the rest of the lesson.